Hey everybody, Chris with Integrity Automotive here. Today we're going to talk about weird noises that you may hear. Customer complained about a noise that they were getting from the engine compartment. When they brought it into us, we could definitely tell it was inside the engine somewhere. We checked over the vehicle, there was no external leaks, which next led us to check the oil level. When we pulled the dipstick, there was nothing on it. That's a huge concern because usually that covers about 2 quarts of oil. So we decided to drain the oil to see what was in it. The oil was minimal, less than a quart, and it was pretty metallic. So that led us to believe that there was an internal failure in the engine and needed to be replaced. So we got them a new remanufactured engine, replaced it, got it back in, now it's getting ready to leave so that way the customer can not have that worry of a weird noise that they're hearing. And it also comes with a great warranty. So if you have a weird noise, bring it into us, we'll check it out, let you know if it's something we need to concern ourselves with or if it's just a noise that you just hadn't heard before. So give us a call, Chris with Integrity Automotive.